And another important topic, what is the thing we are going to discuss today? Land pollution. Land means normal thing and it is an open space or in a land. What are the main important pollution? Garbage coming out from the houses. Each and everything we are just throw certain important garbages from the houses and from the construction places and from the industries and open space we are just filing each and every dumping of waste. Dumping means too much of thing we are again and again we are just put in one place, loading of solid waste, each and everything it will create and it leads to land pollution. Disposal of solid waste on the land causes land pollution. Is it clear? So in order to control this land pollution, in order to maintain the original quality of the environment, we are having two important acts they have introduced. First one, already in the last classes we have seen EPA. What is the term? EPA means is Environment Protection Act. It was introduced in the year 1986. Another important thing, Protection of Environment Operation, which was established in the year 1997. This is the main important two act which can play a very important role to protect environment quality and also put the boost of land pollution. Types of land pollution. The land pollution types can be, what are the main important sources? Sources or types it more or less same. What are the main important types or sources of land pollution is? First one solid waste, second one pesticides and fertilizers, and third one deforestation. Solid waste, the materials which is after cooking over each and every day and each and every day food we are just had each and every day, certain things are left over, we just throw it away from our home. Is it clear? So what will happen, we can call it as it is a household waste and hospital waste. And they are doing each and every day so many operations and each and everything, injections, syringe and operation theatre they are using each and everything, band-aid, cloth, each and everything, cotton roll, so many things, each and everything hospital waste. Municipal waste means you people know very well, and these are all the main important waste, that is septic tank waste or what it may be, each and everything it is also dumped in one place. Is it clear? While construction activities also takes place in municipalities, they just throw each and everything just like that. So all leads to land pollution. Next one, pesticides and fertilizers. Pesticides and fertilizers which plays a very important role in case of primary sector agriculture. For in order to increase agricultural production, the farmers they are using more, but it also leads to land pollution. Again and again they are using means the original quality of the land come down. So what will happen if you are taking that type of food in our day-to-day life, it will also affect serious problem on the human being. Is it clear? And another important thing, deforestation. In order to increase, in order to meet the growing needs of the people, we just cut down so many trees. So we are just cut down so many trees, what will happen? Cut down of so many trees, it leads to loosen of the soil. So if during the rainy season time, what will happen if there is too much of rain means in a particular area we are having so many trees, number of trees is high means the fertility of the soil, it won't move from that place, soil erosion wouldn't take place. But what will happen actually if there is deforestation take place means, so what will happen, there will be no trees, so well fertile of the soil completely rushed away from that particular place to another place, so agriculture production is also reduces. These are all the main important thing. The land is polluted by garbage disposing or dumping, and another one, these are all the original quality of the land get affected. Another important thing, causes. What are main important causes of land pollution is deforestation and soil erosion. Just now only we have seen. Cut down of trees and we are not planting more trees means well original quality of the soil completely eroded. Is it clear? Agricultural activities, chemical, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, each and everything we are using. So what will happen? Original quality of the soil come down. It will also leads to so many problems, not only for the human being but also for animals, each and everything species. Mining activities. Mining activities means leading to land spaces created beneath the surface. It is also leads for land pollution. Mining activities at the time also. Landfill. In open space we are just dumping of solid waste. We can call it as it is a landfill. Industrialization. Starting up of so many industries, each and every industrial production get over, they just throw their each and every solid waste. Not only here different colors of water, and not only emission, and after the industrial production get over, they just show certain important material. Industrialization also plays a very important role for increase of land pollution. Construction activity. While constructing a house, what are the main important thing? They just loaded in one place. After the construction get over, each and everything it is in that street itself, they just move and they just started construction of other activity. So different things, wood, metal pieces, each and everything it is in that particular place itself. Last one, nuclear phase. Radioactive, that is the thing, materials, too much of too hot water, we can't able to tolerate that type of water, and mixes with so many toxic effluents coming out from the thermal plants and nuclear plants. It also affected not only human being, but it also affected the aquatic things. Is it clear? These are all the main important causes of land pollution.